No, it's not fire. I think it's the clouds. The clouds. It's foggy up there. Wow, it's a lovely view. Boki has plenty mountains. This is early morning view in Kwagom. I don't know whether it's the other one. Morning, no. I don't know if it's the other one, the second one, but the one of yesterday is still there. Half. Early morning view in the village. Lovely view. Look at the mountain. Wow. Village life. It's sweet though. It's morning, Tuesday morning. Arise and shine. Clock it.